Look how they've cleaned out the ravine. Guys? What? Look how they cleaned out the ravine. Wow! You know what? You could walk across the ravine on that tree.
And a parachute's gonna come out and this thing's gonna go.
That's what your daddy said.
Oh, look, there's a plane going overhead. We better can't shoot your rocket at the plane.
Oh, my, that would be terrorist attack.
And the police would come and get us.
Yeah.
Terrorist attack. That's all we need.
Yeah, we'll edit that for the video.
I don't think so. No policeman can put
Want
me
to go
in.
out a little clear? Well, I'm going to stand back here a ways. I'm a little nervous because it starts coming toward my head.
Drop your blind! Don't care if it gets on your clothes!
Is that the engine?
Yeah.
Yep. Video that. You put it in the engine.
I know, we should do this in August when it's the dog days of August.
Are you the igniter? Sit down.
10!
Don't touch anything.
Don't set it off yet. You'll explode, Daddy.
Don't touch anything, Gracie.
Hey, walk,
Good,
come
no
a little
more
closer to
breaks.
me, Gracie. That's good stuff.
Sit down again.
Down.
I like that funny sweater.
You're so sweet with me.
What?
Nothing.
Okay, this is the button you're going to push when they say blast off. They're going to do the countdown.
You guys do the countdown.
Okay.
Ready?
I don't know how to count.
Set.
Wait.
Go.
No, you go 5, 4, 3,
5.
Are we allowed to count?
1, blast off.
Okay.
Okay.
They say blast off, you push this button.
Just like NASA.
Ready? 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Blast!
So we get to go.
Okay, get the heck more forward. Okay, you guys start the countdown.
5,
5,
4,
4,
3, 2, 1.
Blast off!
Whoa! Whoa!
Oh my God.